If you have small hooded eyes, you know how difficult it can be to do eye makeup. So today's video is all about some tips and tricks that I have learned in my makeup journey because I have small hooded eyes. And guys, I am no makeup expert, so these tips are going to be super easy. And before I start the video, if you still haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can get updates whenever I post a new video. Now just let's move to the video.
As you can see, most of my eyelid is not visible and I have a crease on the lid. This is what a hooded eye looks like, and if makeup is not done properly, hooded eyes can look even more droopy than usual. To compare both the sides, I'm going to do a good side and a bad side. You can see the markings on your screen, and the rest of the makeup will be according to this marking. When filling the eyebrows, don't pull the arch too low because this will further reduce your lid space. As you can see on the good side, I'm not going to take my arch very down, while on the other side, I'm going to completely fill it till the pointed corner, and this will make my eyes look more droopy. With this small trick, you can already see the difference between both the eyes. Always set your primer or concealer with a setting powder or compact because in hooded eyes you have a crease line, and if you don't set it, it will become more prominent. While highlighting, only apply the highlighter just below your arch of the eyebrow instead of applying it all over the crease because this will just make your eyes look smaller. You can see the difference between both the eyes. While applying eyeshadow, don't just apply your transition color just on the crease because in hooded eyes the crease is very low and no makeup will be visible. Instead, create a fake crease just above your actual crease so that you can increase the height of your eyes. Creating this fake crease gives the illusion of bigger eyes and the eye makeup is so much more visible. Applying a darker eyeshadow will further push your eyelids in. Whereas if you use a neutral, very light eyeshadow on your lids, then it will actually bring them forward and make them look bigger. Adding a darker eyeshadow just to the corner of your eye will give it a depth and make your eyes look more elongated and bigger. Using a shimmer eyeshadow just in the middle of your eyelid will give the illusion of bigger and rounder eyelid. And when you apply the darker color on your waterline, don't take it all the way to the inner corner as it will just close your eyes even further. Instead, just take the color to the middle of your eye. Kajal, if used properly, can stand against the white of your eyes and make them look brighter, but don't just apply the kajal to your entire waterline. Instead, just take it to the middle of your eyes and then you can smudge it out a little with your fingertips. Don't forget to highlight your inner corner as that just brightens up the eye, but don't take a shimmer or a highlighting shade all through your waterline as that will not look good. A big, bold wing eyeliner does not suit hooded eyes because once you open your eyes, it will just cover your entire eye. You will not be able to see your eyeshadow and it just hides under the hood. Instead, apply a very thin eyeliner that is close to your lash line and apply a wing that is again small. You can make it long so that your eyes look elongated. For hooded eyes, it's best to go with thick coats of mascara instead of applying false eyelashes as they can make your eyes look more heavy and droopy. If you want, you can apply very thin and light natural looking eyelashes. Also, don't forget to apply mascara to your lower lash line as it makes a huge difference.
Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, let me know in the comments below and drop in a like. Also follow me on Instagram for more such content and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!